Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Caudalie Beauty Elixir, and this is what the packaging is looking like. It's really basic, but it's really nice and crisp. It retails for £12 for 30ml, so I got this as 30ml, and also the 100ml retails for £32. According to the website, this is a facial spray that acts like a vitamin shot, bringing an instant burst of radiance to the complexion, infusing it with extract of grape, rosemary, orange blossom, rose milk, and organic balm mint. It says it's a quick way to refresh your skin, wake yourself up, and it just hydrates the skin really. This is kind of what the lid looks like. It just comes like that spritz over there where you can just spritz it out. Looks really nice. And it's perfect for hydrating the skin. So you can use it as a toner. You can use it to set the makeup. I'm going to use it to set my makeup today. I'll start by shaking it up because it's just blends everything in. Then I spritz it over my makeup. And this is just amazing. The scent is incredible. It's really good and it just refreshes the skin. It's clean, it's fresh, it's radiant. It just makes you feel fresher inside and out. I love this. Amazing. Especially perfect for the summer. If it feels hot, just spray this on. It just refreshes your face. Number one, you can use it as a toner. So you can use it, spritz it on your face before the makeup application. And it just freshens and hydrates your face. You can use it to set your makeup like I'm doing today. So after makeup, you just spritz it on. You can use it as a makeup daytime refresher, so you can use it throughout the day. This is always in my bag most times, especially during the summer when your makeup is sticky and cakey. This just gives a refreshing feeling and it resets the makeup throughout the day. So it's perfect for the summertime. I just love this. It smells minty, like rosemary, hints of berry. It's just fresh and radiant. I really do love this product. It's one of my fab products. I love it so much. This is my thumbnail. I'm just posing for the photos, and this is it, guys. This is kind of my review. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.